Hi everyone. In the previous video module, we saw how to add a slider control. In this video, we'll see how to add a date range control. So let's go to add a control and click date range control. Okay. When I go to view option, this gives me the ability to filter all the data displayed in my final report to be based on a particular date range. For example, in our case, if I'm going to select my start date as 2019 January 1 till 2019 December 31st. Okay, then all the data in this report is going to be based on sales which was made in 2019. Okay, you might have noticed the value changes in the total sales, the value changes in the table, but the values here does not change. Okay, we need to understand why. Because when I'm clicking this first total sales scorecard, the default date range is set to auto, which means that whichever value we are entering in the date range control is going to influence what is being displayed in the scorecard as well as in the table, because the default date range for both the scorecard and the table is auto, whereas the default date range for this second scorecard is customized. It is based on 2020 data. So which this clearly means that control we are using here is going to apply the filters to only those visualizations which has the default date range mentioned as auto. It is not going to influence or change the results which are displayed for visualizations which have the the default date range mentioned as custom. Okay, so there are various styling options available as for any other visual representation. We can play around it. Okay, so this is yet another powerful tool which is provided by Google Data Studio, which will help us to filter the data according to the specific time period which we require. That's all for this video. We'll catch up in the next one. Thank you.